Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. So all those who are new to my channel, hi, I am Liza. So in today's video I will be recreating the iconic makeup look of Draupadi played by Pooja Sharma in Mahabharata 2013. I truly love her character and she was an epitome of grace, beauty, intelligence and power. She had a really strong personality और पूजा मैम ने क्या निभाया है कैरेक्टर को. Before starting the video, let me remind you that if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. That would really help me get some motivation right now. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell to know whenever I come up with new videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. और आप लोगों को ज़्यादा ना पकाते हुए, let's start the video.
So I'll be starting with my hairs. So first of all, I'll be parting my hairs into two sections. I'll leave two sections at the front and I will take rest of the hairs and I'll comb it back to give it a volume because I will be needing a puff. Now I'll secure the puff using some bobby pins. So now I'll take one of the sections and I will comb it back because it will give it a nice volume. So now I will be rolling it up and I will pin it up back. As I'll start the makeup now, so for some time I will be clipping my hair so that it doesn't disturb me. So I'll start by using the primer. For primer I am using the Inside Cosmetics 2-in-1 primer. It's an oil-free primer. For foundation I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. It is in the shade 301. I'll conceal my face using the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer. It is in the shade 25 medium. तो यहाँ मैंने कंसीलर थोड़ा ऊपर तक लगाया है क्योंकि मुझे अपने फेस को एक लेंथ देना है. So it will create an illusion of a long face. I'll contour my face using the NY Base contour stick. I'll set my face using the Blue Heavens setting powder, which is in the shade Natural. For blush, I have used the Swiss Beauty's blush palette and I have used a very beautiful coral shade. For my eyes, I'll be using the Makeup Revolutions palette. First of all, I'll be starting by applying the black shade. So following the black shade, I will be taking this rose gold shade from the Hilary Rhoda palette. It's a shimmery shade. I never get satisfied with the color payoff using a brush, so I always tend to use my fingers whenever I apply a shimmer shade. Now for my inner lids, I'll be using this beautiful golden shade from the Makeup Revolution palette. For liner, I'm using the Lakme's Insta liner. For my lower lash line, I will be using the Maybelline's Colossal Kajal. Now I will be filling up my brows using the Music Flowers gel liner in the shade brown. So for highlighter, I will be using the Swiss Beauty's combo palette, where you will be finding highlighters, contour shades and blush shades as well. For lipstick, I'll be using the Nykaa's Bullet lipstick, which is in the shade Traffic Jammin. To give it an orange tint, I'll be using one more lipstick, which is from the ADS Pro Matte Me lipstick. To make my lips more glossy, I'll top it with some marula oil.